These are some of the drawings, the sketches, ideas that they've been coming up with here at WonderWorks for the interior of the Space Coupe. As you can see, it's sort of evolving. Some of the ideas for the dash with the instruments. We're kind of patterning it off of space, 60s, a little combination of 60s and futurism. Pieces, various pieces. You can see we're going to have some very unique seats, like springs that attach them to the side. Some of the ideas for gauges. You can see over here. It's over here behind the astronaut suit. It's one of the things they do here at WonderWorks is all things space related.